Hey, it's Mike. We're back, baby. Um, yeah, this is actually take two. I just spent 20 minutes on this subject and then found out that the microphone was muted. So I'm going to do this again. Um, this is for the Open Call Discord demo. I don't know how much of a demo it's going to be background for those of you who don't know me. I have spent the last 2 years trying to figure out how to organize businesses within Discord systems and Obsidian notebooks. Really, the intelligence, the 1.0, is here with these latest foundation models. Um, Everything at this point is moving into the actual demo or the things I want to talk about today. The philosophy that I've been putting together is a mixture of agent workspaces, Obsidian vaults, and Discord channels. That's my main flow right now. Um, Done a lot of experimentation with how multi-agent setups can. The philosophy. Um, the philosophy. So Discord channels are workspaces, not chat rooms. Now, you can go crazy with your organizational structure of your chat rooms. I mean, if you've been in any Web3 projects or gaming projects, and imagine how the Discords are set up, and most of you probably have Slacks and um, Microsoft Teams or Google whatever. So, however that's structured, I mean, even within a ChatGPT app itself, you've got projects and you've got threads within it. And so, basically, my philosophy is that I have an inbox that comes in. I type a command or I type a request, rambling image file, so that AI lives in the workspace. It's not a separate app that you switch to. So again, we're just one agent right now running everything. I'm using Discord channels for just so I can use my phone and just give it commands. And then when I come back, and I can either look. All right. So number two, information flow. I want to drop it and forget it. The system captures it and routes. It's literally where the ideas are coming, and as soon as I can get them out, the issue you have to watch out for is the context, and the context in a Discord channel will just expand until it finally uses up your buffer. Um, but I calculated yesterday, after a few hours of use, that we burned like 25% of our tokens for the day, and every call in this one channel was costing. So obviously we're doing sub-agent spawns for research, isolated sessions, reporting back, cleaning up things. The idea is to keep the channel clear as much as possible and have it like sub these things out so that it just responds with an acknowledgement and then replies back that are of that nature. So my general workflow is to work through a problem with an agent, define the pipeline, automate it as much as possible so that instead of just creating a cron job where an agent is picking something up and has to like write its own script, you have the script saved, it knows how to run it. Or even better yet, you've built a CLI that the agent can interact with through its tools and kind of pipe those things around. OpenClaw has this lobster. Solve it one time, automate it, make it cheap as possible, and move on to the next thing. Key phrase. I'm building an attention OS. Now, I've been off social media. I've been off Facebook. I've been off Twitter for a long time now. I get most of my news through curated RSS feeds because honestly, at this point, I don't trust anybody else's algorithms. I'm not saying that if corporations are going to replace people with AI, then there's no reason why workers can't replace corporations with AI. And I think that was reflected in the little stock market panic. That. It's an attention OS, multiple focus contexts, each with memory and agency, all feeding to a shared knowledge base. So to be clear, we're using Discord channels as the remote, and we're using Obsidian vaults as like the deep dive stuff. So baby context goes in, fat context comes out. And good luck, everyone. Godspeed.